Hey guys, welcome back to Chat with Lois. How y'all doing, besties? And today's vlog is going to be kind of like everything I did for Valentine's Day. I went to Target. I went to get like a Starbucks, like I guess a Valentine's Day Starbucks. And then I also did like decorations for my Valentines. We had like really fun. And also today we're doing like another Valentine's Day thing. So I hope you guys stay tuned and watch the whole video and subscribe. Like and comment and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And you can follow me on my social medias because I will be posting. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Remember, she doesn't like purple no more. She likes black. Or she likes black.
Watch. She should get washed. You didn't add sugar?
Yeah. Yeah. This is a
when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. To everybody else it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the chat. This is not going to be my intro, but y'all see something behind me. Let me turn this way so I can give y'all a surprise. So happy Valentine's Day, happy Girlentimes, whatever it's called. So me and my friend are having like a little friend's day, like a Valentine's Day, and I wanted to decorate it like just a little bit. You know me, I'm extra, so I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. And yeah, this is what I had, so don't judge because I had very little bit of time. Didn't even have, I just had these downstairs, so I'm gonna show y'all. And I redid my hair a little bit, so let's go. And I'm gonna show y'all my outfit when I'm all done, so let's go. Just seeing the decorations. I told y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't know, I'm so excited. I've been waiting to like do something with like one of my friends. Never got a chance to, so I was like, hey, you want to come over and like just hang? And she was like, yes. So, and I'm going to surprise her today with my YouTube channel because I didn't tell her I have one. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get dressed, and okay, bye. Hey y'all, so my friend said she's coming. I had to redo this like 10 times because of the light, but I just want to show you guys my outfit. So this SpongeBob shirt, love it, and then just my pants regular, and then I had to wrap my hair up because it wasn't looking so cute, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. She said she's coming, so I'm gonna go and hurry up. And I did my makeup. Can y'all tell? When I tell you, I tried.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel. Yeah. That's so cute. I didn't know that. We haven't even...
Because every time we hang out, Courtney. Oh my god, I hate her.
It has no fat.
So what kind of meat is it?
Huh? It's the meat, it's the ground meat. Oh. But it has no fat. It's just.
Hey you guys, so today I'll be DIY edible arrangement and another gift from my sister. I fit another gift, so that's basically done. I kind of just put deodorant, candy, and some other stuff, so that's basically it for someone, whoever comes and they don't have a gift. So this is my sister's. I just put like a foam on the bottom, and this is her card. I know this, it's so cute, guys, from Dollar Tree. This is from Target, by the way. It was $7 on clearance. I was happy. I picked that up real quick and I was like, yes. Okay, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. Kind of simple, kind of chill. So I'm just gonna stick it in. I just did glue and a stick, and I just cut it from the ends, and I'm just gonna stick however I want it to. And yeah, let me put my mom's stuff down. And that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stick everything. This is my mom. So over here will be my mom. This is my sister. So I'm gonna do my sister's first, and then I'm gonna show you guys the rest. Everything, like me cutting up the fruit, because I was trying to hurry. Like, you guys, I was trying to hurry. So don't mind the noise. I apologize. Let me move you guys a little bit closer. This is Kit Kats. I just made it into roses. I thought this was kind of cute. My mom's card. This is my mom's stuff. Again, the same thing kind of stuff. So just letting y'all know, it's the same thing. Oh, I bought this from Target. It's a oh my god, what is it called? I don't know makeup, y'all. So setting spray. Oh my god, how did I know? How did I forget? I know she likes setting spray, so I got it. It was 2 for like $7. Target had some sales. If you guys have a Target, go and get it. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. I got this from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna stick it however I feel. So now I'm gonna take paper and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna just do this and stick it up on. Ooh. And just stick it and that's how it's gonna kind of look. So I'm gonna show you the finished product after. And this is the final result. Put paper around. This is the end results. Like, this is it. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Honestly, this was so hard. Some of the fruits dropped out, so this one might be a little difficult. But overall, it was really fun and easy, really quick. So I'm gonna show you guys up.
Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is nice, huh? I like to hold this. Oh, it's like a family cup. Yeah, what's this?
This is.
Here you go. See, that's how you look coming. You have to smell something. Oh, beautiful.
Setting spray.
Yeah?
Setting spray.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You need it? You can make it? What is this? Oh, that's
I made a rose out of it.
Small thing deserves the world and every holiday. I'll give you a small piece of my love and a small piece of my kidney as well.
Nice. Thank you.
Pretty nice. Wow, I call Auntie Michelle. Michelle, happy Valentine. What is that? This is what it is. Open up.
Today. Hey you guys, so this is the end of this Valentine's Day vlog. It took me a long time to get here, but I'm here. If you can see, my face looking a little rough. I haven't focused on myself. Valentine's Day has been crazy. So today I'm gonna do like a skincare. Hopefully this is no echo. I'm in the bathroom. So first I'm gonna go in with this product because it just does its justice. So yeah, I just put some water, nothing really crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna come back.
So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your home. baby, come and share my world.
This whole week I just like forgot about my skin, and like it just keeps on getting worse. So I don't do a lot of skincare, so this is kind of like, ooh, I'm washing today. It's perfectly fine. Like I just didn't remember myself, and I feel so light, and I'm just like, you know what, let's do a skincare. But yeah, today, like this whole week was just a Valentine's Day. Come on. And I don't do a lot of, I think I said that, I don't do a lot of skincare, and I really want to get into skincare, so this is kind of like a first, I guess, starter. And yeah. I mean, when I wait for the 15 minutes, why not just turn up with me? I don't feel like I explained this. Wait, let me stop like this. But I feel like I just said like a Valentine's Day, and it's not a Valentine's Day vlog. It's like a whole week. It's a whole week because I kind of did a lot for Valentine's Day. Well, Valentine's Day we made pizza. You guys have to watch the whole video. But Valentine's Day we made pizza and then kind of just chilled. Yeah. And then the other day we watched Super Bowl. Had a lot of friends. Valentine's Day situation. Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. So it's a whole week, I guess. Now I'm gonna go in with this product. This is new. My aunt gave it to my mom, but I got it from Texas. You guys have to watch the next vlog. Okay, yeah, the next vlog is coming out. That's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't know all these products names, so we're just gonna show y'all. And this what works for me. Well, this I have never tried it, but I heard some good news about it. Like they're all kind of good. So, and the good thing about these some products don't break me out. So yeah, we're just gonna go in. I have bad breakout this whole week, and then I came back from Texas and I got a big cold, like a bad one. So Texas was actually really warm. Cold, sorry, did I say cold? So yeah, we weren't prepared for it. We weren't prepared for the weather. We really thought it was gonna be like nice and I guess hot. It wasn't, but it was nice. It was fun. I hope you guys do enjoy that vlog whenever that comes out. I'm already like almost done editing, so yeah. I just put Carmex on my lips because I do get breakout. I use my Eucerin really well. And you can't even see the E. And then I'm gonna go into pimple patches. Again, I gotta get some more. They're so good. This actually was so big and it went down in like a day. So yeah, that's it. I would put it in other places, but I only have two, so I don't want to brag, but my skin is already looking a little bit better. You guys see like another light. I had to put on the other light. Already looking a little like alive a little bit. And now I'm done. Got the pimple patch on. I'm finished. My face feels very refreshed and just well needed. Honestly, well needed. I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video of a whole lot of different stuff that I did for Valentine's Day to get in the Valentine's Day mood, to get in the groove. And I hope you guys enjoy this channel, and I hope you guys come back for more, because there'll be more, trust me. Subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot, and my social medias, I'll put it right here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye besties.